I'll guide you through setting up a proxy on Geelark using ProxyLink Pro. Setting up the profile on Geelark. Open Geelark and click on New Profile. Then select Browser Profile. Here, give your profile a name. And under the Group section, choose Ungrouped. Selecting the proxy type, in the Proxy Type dropdown, make sure to select SOCKS5. This is the format we'll be using. Configuring the proxy with ProxyLink Pro. Now let's head over to ProxyLink Pro. Log into your ProxyLink Pro account. Click on Proxy Generator. Choose your preferred location. Then, click on Generate. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the proxy address. Go ahead and copy it. Adding the proxy to Geelark. Back in Geelark, paste the copied proxy address into the Proxy Server tab. To verify your connection, click on Check Proxy. If everything is good, hit OK. Launching the proxy. Now simply click on Start to launch the proxy. A new window will pop up, showing details about your connection. Verifying your connection. For further confirmation, you can visit ifconfig.me to check your IP and ensure the proxy is working correctly. And there you have it. Your proxy is now fully configured on Geelark using ProxyLink Pro.